Welcome to SUSE Studio, your very own Linux appliance construction kit. SUSE Studio allows you to create customized appliances built on LimeJuice, the just enough operating system version of OpenSUSE. With this free hosted solution, you simply log in, select your base Linux template, customize, build, test, and download your appliance. It's that easy. Let's get started. First, go to studio.suse.com in your browser. Sign in, and then you can go ahead and create your first appliance. We will start with a text-only template. The first thing we need to do in the appliance editor is to give it a name and to give it a description. Once we've done that, we can select the components necessary to run our application. We need PHP running on Apache. So if we search for PHP, we'll see a number of options. However, this popularity indicator helps us by telling us that this has been the most popular item people have installed. So we'll go ahead and install that. Continuing, the Sugar CRM manual has a number of other requirements to make the application run. We choose each of those, and then the appliance is ready from a software perspective. Now we need to configure it. We're going to use the default settings for this appliance with two exceptions. First, we're going to allow administration via SSH from remote hosts. And second, we're going to turn on MySQL support and have it create a default database with some automatically set up users. Now that we have ourselves configured, we're actually going to add Sugar to our appliance. We simply come into the Files section and give it the URL of the Sugar download. After a moment, it's downloaded the Sugar application software, and now we can take a look at it and determine that we need to tell it where to install it. For our purposes, we're going to install it into the web root under srv www htdocs. Now we can go ahead and build. Well, actually, we need to do one other thing first. We need to fix this error. This error tells us that we went ahead and told it to configure MySQL. We didn't actually install the software. So let's go ahead, add MySQL, and now we can build. In building, we have several options. We're going to build a software appliance so that's installable using a disk image. After just a moment, we've gone ahead and it's finished up creating that image. Now we have two different options. We can either test it out, make sure it does everything we want, or once we have that done, we can release it to the SUSE Studio Marketplace to allow others to download. We hope you'll take an opportunity to come take a look at SUSE Studio and sign up for the alpha.